Business meeting etiquette. The appropriate dress code for meeting. Women should wear nice headscarves, loose clothing items that cover their breasts/shoulders, and skirts should be at a length below the knee. For men, it's less strict. They can wear anything nice that covers them up appropriately. When meeting a client. There are different ways to appropriately meet with a client in Oman depending on your gender. For men and men, they will first go for a handshake to greet each other. For men and women, it's recommended not to physically touch unless authorized by the female first. Business cards. When handing over a business card, it must be double-sided in both the English and Arabic language, and handed with both hands. It's polite to take the time to read any business cards or paperwork given to you throughout the meeting.